What's going on, guys? The rain is coming, and this gentleman right here just picked up our Adventure dry bag to put on the back of his Harley Davidson here. It's going to fit perfect right here on the back rack. So let me show you what all is involved. So inside your duffel bag, you also get a carry handle. There's going to be 4 clips that are going to come down and clip to each of these 4 D-rings. If you want to carry this into the hotel or to the campsite or wherever you're going. We're not going to use those for the installation. So this is another strap it comes with. This is going to clip to the D-rings on both ends of the bag this way. Allow you to carry it up over your shoulder if that's what you want to do. All right, so in addition to those 2 straps, we have these 4 girth straps right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to find 4 different spots on the motorcycle, 2 towards the back, 2 towards the front, and they're going to come up and go into our metal buckles right here. Let's set this in place first here on the rack. We're going to want to kind of pull this direction. So I'm thinking we go to one of 2 places. We can either come to the rack right here in the corner, or what I'd probably do is come down to this bar right here and then come up. Okay. So what we're going to do is just come right here around the bar, pass the strap back through itself. Want to make sure that we clear our elastic keeper. This is what the tail is going to tuck into so it doesn't flap as you ride down the road. So this guy will come up to this point right here. It'll be fine. It's going to pull the bag that direction. The same thing on the other side. Brad, in Ohio, you from?
Cincinnati.
Cincinnati? Nice. Did my community college at Columbus State. All right, those 2 are tied in there. So what I'm now going to do now is going to remove the plastic covers off these 2 buckles. I'm going to take this strap, pinch the little alligator teeth open, and slide that through. All right, now we're going to move forward. All right, and now let's come down here. All right, we got that guy over there. Now that we have all 4 corners attached, we're going to go ahead and pull down and get that to secure. Perfect amount of tension on all 4 sides. It's not going to go anywhere. Now these elastic strap keepers we have, what I like to do is take the strap and wrap it in on itself. That way that tail is kind of connected or captured inside that loop. I'm going to pull this elastic strap out, pull that in, no flappy straps. We'll do the same thing on these other ones. Pull it back in on itself a couple times. Pull that guy in. There we go. All right, now when you want to take the bag off the bike, you just pull those straps, loosen it up, and just pull them out, leave the 4 straps on the bike, and just carry the bag. So now to close the bag, you want to go 3 half turns. So 1, 2, squeeze a little bit of air out in your 3rd. That's going to get you the waterproofness. Now what I typically do is I roll this the opposite way of the air hitting the motorcycle and the water. So I'm going to go and roll it that way. Doesn't really matter, the bag doesn't care which way. Let the wind and water do. So now we're going to take this, connect the side buckle down the side. We'll do the same thing with that rubber, or the elastic strap, I should say. So we do the same thing with the elastic strap on this side. Just roll it up, tuck it into the holder. Sneak this guy in here. It's a little tag. Okay, cool. Yep. All right, and then we have these two top straps. These are going to come over. You know, the same elastic, or the same elastic piece here, but it just comes over the top. Now what you can do, these straps are longer, so if you've got a jacket or something like that, you can toss it on the top, then put these straps over the top and keep it contained. But there you go, that's it.
Perfect.
Installed. Thank you, sir.
Very much.
Appreciate it. And that's it, the Adventure waterproof dry bag from Rigg Gear Adventure, installed on the back luggage rack of this Harley Davidson.